this one. All right, so, okay. C. Louis, are you there?
Yes, I am there.
Okay, good. Negative times negative. Negative times negative will be?
I think positive.
Yeah, that is a positive, right? Always the same sign, product is a positive. So we have one example. Negative 4 times negative 7 is how much? Negative times negative, the result will
Negative.
be positive.
So it will be 28.
Yeah, positive 28. Okay, that's the answer. All right, now take a look division. Positive divide negative, still different sign negative, right? You know that. Okay, Mike, are you back there? Mike, are you there?
I'm here.
Okay, good. Can you try this one? 48 divide negative 4. How much is that?
Negative 12?
Negative 12. Perfect. Positive, negative, still negative. You know that just what 48 over 4 is 12. Negative 12 is correct. Okay, should we try this one? Negative divide positive. The result sign will be, what is that? Sydney, are you there? Well, Sydney was best one. Okay, Louis, negative divide positive. The result sign will be?
So
Different sign. Yeah, different
divide-
sign.
I think
Negative.
it's negative.
Yeah, negative. That's correct. So we have an example here. Negative 72 divide 9. The result will be a negative number, right? So how much is that? 72 over 9 is?
That would be 8.
Yeah, negative 8, right? We still have a negative divide a positive, still negative, because different sign, division always negative. Okay, Mike, can you try F over here? Negative divide negative, or same number, the result will be positive or negative? Mike, what do you think?
I think it's gonna be positive.
Yeah, same sign, okay, always positive. It's okay. So this is two numbers. Negative number divide the negative number. Same sign the numbers, negative and negative. The result
Okay.
will be positive. What's the solution? What's the answer?
Positive 4.
Positive 4 is the answer. Okay, you can use a positive 4, but when you have a positive, you don't have to write down. You can use, right?
Yeah.
Each expression is okay. This one is okay. The other one is okay. Both will be okay. All right? Okay.
Yeah.
This is sign the number operations. It's okay. Everybody's will be okay with the sign the number operations. Okay. I believe you guys are smart. So we're gonna try order of operations. We're gonna use what PEMDAS. Okay, you can use this way, PEMDAS. That's the order of operations. Find the result of each of the following. Now you're gonna use, okay, the answers over here. Now try number, everybody try number 8. And when you got the answer, you can give it to me, okay? Negative 3 times 7 or different sign the number. One is negative, the other one is a positive, and plus both numbers is negative. Negative 5 times negative 2. Okay, what did answer over here? Okay, everybody try this one, number A, okay? And give me your answer, okay? All right. Anybody got the answer?
So first you want to do, -3 times 7.
Yeah.
So 7
7 is a positive
and
number.
positive equal times equal negative.
Yep. What's the number? What's the result?
So it's -21.
Oh, negative 21 and plus parentheses.
And they're equal, so they must negative times negative equal positive.
Mhm.
So it must be positive 5.
Positive 5 times
No,
2 is
10.
how much?
Positive 10.
Okay, after that, now you can add these two. What's the answer? Negative 21
Equal
plus.
negative 11.
Perfect. Negative number is more, right? So 10 is out. 11 is still left. Negative number. Excellent. That's the answer. Okay, now we try number 2. Try everybody number 2. Mike, can you try number 2?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Because this order of operations, you want to do the parentheses first?
Yeah, this is first, right?
Yeah, so we have to do
Multiplication is first.
2 times -7,
Uh-huh.
which equals to negative, no. Yeah, -14.
Oh, you can use y except this one, right?
Yeah.
Negative 2 times negative to negative 14, but we have another negative sign.
Fine.
When you open the parentheses, what's gonna be?
So it's gonna be 8 times
Yeah.
14.
No, this
No,
is what? Negative
-8.
times, this is what? Negative,
Subtraction.
right? That is not product. Okay, that's the difference. Is it okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so this is what? Negative is positive 14. Is that difference, okay?
Okay.
This one is a product, negative 8 times negative 40. That means a product.
Yeah.
But this is negative, that is not product. This one is what? Sign the number product. It's gonna be changed into positive, right?
Yeah.
So 8 plus 14, what's the answer anyway?
8 plus 14 equals 22.
That's right, both number is positive, you can add this number, right? Or positive 20, 12 to 22 is okay. All right, everybody try C over here. Okay, Sydney, can you try this one C?
Yes.
Okay.
First, you have to do the exponent first, which makes it positive 25.
Positive 25. Negative times negative 5. The next one.
And then you have to multiply 3 and -5,
Okay, how much?
which is equal to -15.
Negative 15. We still have a negative 8.
Yeah.
Okay, now one by one. 25
25
minus 15.
is 10.
Okay, we still have a negative 8.
10 minus 8 is 2.
Positive 2. Excellent. 2 or positive 2. Now we're going to have some practice on divisions of sign the numbers. Okay. All right. Negative divide negative positive. The result is negative. The result should be negative. Can you simplify this one? 3/6. Anybody give me the answer? 3/6 equals. You can divide by except the negative, right? Divide by.
-1/2.
That's right. 3/3 is 1. 6/3 is 2. -1/2 is correct. Or you can put this number still, leave right in numerator. -1/2 is fine too. Okay, but this number negative is what? Can move to the front or can move to the down, right? Okay, this negative number can move here or here or here. They can move anywhere. Okay, but this is more general form. This is a more general expression. Okay, this is a more general. Okay, this form is better. General means what? They're all the same, but this is a more popular, right? Okay. Now try number C. Negative number divide the negative number. Negative divide the negative will be positive, right?
Yes.
Okay, we know that result is a positive. Now simplify. 24 over 3 is,
Oh, you can divide them.
yeah, you can divide. That is division, isn't it?
8.
8. Positive 8 or just 8 is okay. Okay. Now can you try this one, everybody? 20 over negative 16. Okay. All of you guys try this one, okay? Simplify. This is a positive, negative, still negative, more general form, negative, but with a fraction. Simplified. 20 over 16 is, they're gonna asking you simplify each fraction, okay? 20 over 16 is, you can divide.
It's 1 and 1/4.
Oh yeah. You can divide by 4, divided by 4, right? 5 over 4, isn't it? Yeah, 1 and 1/4 is okay. So you can use what 5 over 4 is what 1 and 1/4. You can use this one because what in pre-algebra, from pre-algebra to algebra, okay? You can leave this one in this improper fraction, okay?
Negative 5/4.
Yeah, this is okay too. Yeah, we still have a negative. So you can say negative 5 over 4 or negative 1 and 1/4 is okay. Both will be accepted. Okay. All right. Now try number D. Negative number over negative number. Mike, can you find the answer?
I think the answer is 1/3 because
Perfect. Okay, because can you explain why that is a positive number?
you could divide it.
Yeah, excellent. Negative divided by negative 8. We know that that is a positive, but when it is simplified, or just 1/3, because that is our mathematical regulation. Okay, both will be okay. All right. So what is this algebra? What is this algebra? What is algebra?
It's like equations with like letters.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, excellent. Algebra, we have two different ones. One is expression that no equal sign, just like expressions. This is expressions. When you add plus two, that is expression, including what is that? Letter and this letter we said what? Variables. Variable. Okay. So variable and some constant number. Okay. So expression, that means what? Which has variable, then we said algebraic expression. We said algebraic expression. Write down algebraic expressions. The other one, this equals 10. The equation have right variables. This is said algebraic equation. Okay, so we have two different one over here. Okay, all right. One is the expression, the other one is what? Equations. Okay, this is expressions. There's no equal sign there, right? Just expressions. But this is now equations. The exact name is algebraic equations. This is algebraic expression. Is it okay? No. What is the evaluation? Wow, what that means? Evaluate. we assign some number to this variable, okay? With this variable and with this variable and we assign some numbers. But when you over here, put this number over here, -2 plus 12, isn't it? But you want to leave this way? No, because this is a number, this is a number, we need to evaluate. This we said evaluate. Evaluation means what? Some numeric number. Result should be numeric number. Numeric. Number, okay? Numeric number. So it's gonna be simplified, okay? 10, isn't it? So what that means? When you say evaluate, the result should be some numeric number, numeric value. It is okay? All right. This is which has what? Variable. This is algebraic expressions. But we're gonna assign the t with what? 3/4. That means substitution. Instead of use t, put this number into the t. Now we're gonna have some numeric outcomes, a numeric result. This is we said evaluate. We need to evaluate this, okay? Evaluate means find the numbers, okay? So 24, 8 times 3 is 24 over 4, positive or positive, positive 6. It's the answer. Always, but the result of evaluation always a numeric number. Numeric number. Okay? Here and here, over here too. This is algebraic expressions. But we're gonna assign to the one -24. Now we're gonna use the evaluate because what? Variables is no more variable. We assigned some number into the variable. So evaluation is what we need to find the final simplified numbers. -24 positive 8 is what? Still -24 over 8 is -3. Yeah, we just evaluate. Okay. Memorize what is the algebraic expressions and what is algebraic equations and what is evaluation, okay? And what is the variable? Variable is some letter because the variable we don't know what's gonna be the number, okay? That's the variable. So algebra means some expression or equation which is what? Variable. That's it. This is order of operation, PEMDAS. But it depends on questions, okay? All right, just like generally we use this PEMDAS. Okay, everybody know this one, right? Parentheses, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, okay? Sometimes subtraction first, it doesn't matter. Now, you're gonna evaluate. You know that? Evaluate. Okay, now we're not gonna do everything, okay? We're gonna try number 8, number B, and number E. Okay, one more, number F. Okay, all right. Everybody try number 8 first. We have algebraic expressions. This is expressions. We're gonna find, evaluate. Oh, the value variable now assigned. When x equals 6, what is the numeric number of this one? Okay, okay. Everybody try A, B, E, F, or 4 questions. Okay, okay. I'll give you some time. In a minute, we go over together, okay? So I'm asking you the answer, okay? This pre-algebra and algebra is very important, okay? if you perfect this pre-algebra, algebra, geometry, algebra 2, any other SAT, PSAT, it's nothing. Very easy to find good score. Okay, if this basic is right, not strong, always trouble, always trouble. Right, anybody has the answer number A? Luis, you got the number A?
The answer is 8.
Answer is A, or yeah.
I
You got
got
the
it
answer.
because 1/2 times 6 is 3, and 3 plus 5 is 8.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, Michael, can you give me the answer number B?
I'm still doing B.
Okay, still do, take time. When you're ready, you let me know, okay? Okay, Sydney, try number F. Louis,
Okay.
try one more number A. This is
I-
Mike A, B.
I did C
did.
and B too.
Okay, all right, good. Okay, we try everything, okay? That is not big deal, okay? Because the more practice is the better.
Mhm.
I think B is.
I'm just kind of confused how we got number A.
Number A.
Yes, just a little.
Number A is 1/2 times X is going up here, right?
Oh, so we did 6 times.
Yeah, 6 times 1 is 6 over 2 plus 5, isn't it? What is the value of this one? 6 over 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, right?
And 3 plus 5 equal 8.
Yeah, you got the answer already. Okay?
Okay, sorry.
Okay, no problem at all.
Also, I got the answer from E.
Answer from E? Okay. Give me your
Wait.
answer.
Wait,
So-
E first.
So you want, so n equal 4, so you have to do -2 times +4
Yeah.
plus +15.
No. Negative times positive is what it is. That's a product, okay? Negative times positive is still negative. It's
I
okay?
know it's still negative, so -8 plus +5, that would
No,
equal
positive 15.
+15, that would equal +7.
Perfect. Positive 7. That's the answer, right? Okay, what about B, Mike?
I don't know if this is right, but then I got 12 because it says y plus y -2.
Yeah, y is a -2. Put this number over here. -2 plus 10. Down over here, -2 minus 2. We're gonna simplify, okay? What is numerator? -2 plus 10 is how much?
12?
No.
No, -8.
Negative 8.
No, 8.
Yeah.
8.
Positive 8, right? Because there are different signs, find the difference 8, but there's a more positive number, that is positive 8. What about the denominator? -2, -2. -2 minus -2 is?
Isn't it 4? Positive?
No.
No.
2 plus 2 is 4. -2 minus -2 is how much?
Is -4.
That's
Can
right.
I do D?
Yeah, -2 is the same direction. 2, another 2 down again, total is -4, right?
Yeah.
Can I
2
do
plus 2, 2, another 2 over here, positive 4.
Yeah.
Negative, another negative you can add, okay? -4. 8 minus -4 is how much?
It's
Positive divide the negative. Yeah, the
So
result is
it's-
negative.
it's
8
gonna be
over 4. 8
got-
divided by 4 is how much?
2.
2. So which is -2 is
-2.
that, okay?
Okay.
Yes, very
Can
good.
I do D?
Oh, you can try D. Okay, go ahead, Luis.
So 10, +10 minus negative, sorry. So you do -3 times 7.
Yeah.
Then that would equal negative, give me a second, negative 21.
Okay. 10 minus negative
Negative.
21.
And negative 21, that would equal 11, negative 11.
Negative side is more, right? So negative 11. Excellent. Very good.
I did see.
Oh, yeah. See, try this one, Mike. Put this number over here, right?
That's -3 to the second power, and since exponent come first, it's 2 and times 9 because
Excellent.
3. And then,
Negative, positive. So
and then the answer is 18 because 2 times 9 is 18.
that's right. Very good. Okay, Sydney, you're gonna do F right now.
Yes.
All right.
So since y is 2, it's 2 to the third power over 10 to the 10 times 2 plus 4.
Okay, now evaluation means what we need to simplify the numeric number.
Yeah, and 2 to the third power is 8.
Okay.
And 10 times 2 is 20, plus 4 is 24.
Okay.
Which means the answer is 1/3, positive 1/3.
Excellent. Wow, you guys are great because this is the 8th grade. Okay, so we got going at the best. Excellent. Consider of this one, but this is not big deal. X plus 7 plus 3, when you open this one, check out. X plus 7 and plus 3, you can open, there's no negative sign, you can open, right, anytime. X plus 7. Okay, open the parentheses. And plus 3, this is both a part number you can reduce, right? X plus 10, isn't it? Is it okay? Yeah, use what associative, right? You can make this parentheses. Okay, so x plus 7 plus 10 is actually simplified, which is what x plus 10, okay? That's the algebraic, simplified algebraic expressions. But you can, this is okay, okay? I don't make I don't want to make you confused. We're gonna write okay, associative, it doesn't matter, just try to use this one, okay? Okay, maybe you can use this one, associative property. Okay, I'll take a look at it. What is associative property? Associative property looks like this one. A plus B plus C, okay? So they have the same order, A, B, C. We have our first two numbers in the same parentheses, one group. We're gonna make a different group. Third and second and third, we can make a group. But when you have an addition over here, they're already equal. Okay, this property is called what? Associative property. Associative property, where is associative property means different group.
Since it's addition, you can change where the
That's right. First two numbers is one group, second and third number is another group. That is associated. What is this one? A plus B still equals B plus A, right? They switch their order. Switch order. This is reset. What is the name of this property? Anybody know this one? Oh, this is you never know this one? Okay, we're gonna express number property. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Property. Operation. We said property of operation. Operation is what is that? plus, minus, multiplication, and division. This is we said property of operation, usually binomial operation. Binomial between two numbers, okay? This is a binomial operation. That's a property. The first one is commutative property. Commutative. What is the commutative property? 10 plus 2, I'm going to use some number. This is actually equals to 2 plus 10. Because we can switch any numbers. 10 is the first, now 2 is the first. Because their result will be equal. 12 equals 12. This is we said commutative properties. Only this one is where addition is working when you have right from over here. Contradictions. 10 minus 2 equals, switch this to 2 and 10, 2 minus 10, they are equals? No way. This is 8, this is minus 8, isn't it? So this commutative property always working on additions. Okay, only addition is working. Subtraction is not working. Another commutative property, okay, this is we said commutative property of addition. I'm going to use exact name of addition or over addition. The next one, commutative property of multiplication is working too. Because what 5 times 2 equals 2 times 10, they can switch. Okay, that is working. This is 20, this is 20. So this property of, okay, commutative property only working what? Addition and multiplication, not division. 10 divided by 2 equals 2 divided by 10. No way. This is 5. This is what? 2 over 10 is 1 over 5. They are not equal. So commutative property means switch their order, change the order. Commutative property is what? Change their order, right? Change the order. Which is the first, which is the second. Only working on addition and multiplications. This is we said property of commutative, okay? Commutative property, commutative. The next one is associative. Associative property looks like this one. 2 plus 8 first and plus 5. The next one, 2 plus 8 plus 5 is the first, and later you can add 2. They are equals. We have a right different group. We assigned to a different group. But same order, 2, 8, 5, 2, 8, 5, not changed. Okay, what about minus? 2 minus 8 minus 5. This is 2. 2 minus 8 minus 5. Two different group. They are not equal. This associative always on plus. Okay, on plus is working. And multiplication working too. 2 times 8 and times 5. 2 times 8 times 5. It's the same thing. First two numbers group, second two numbers is a group. This is also what? Multiplication is working. So commutative property or associative property only working on what? Addition and multiplication. Okay. Now the next one is a distributive property. distributive property is what 2 times inside the addition. This sum is 2 times 8 plus 2 times 10. Distribute right to both two numbers. This is what over additions, over additions. But this is working too. 8 minus 10, subtraction is working too. 2 times 8 and minus 2 times 10. This is over subtraction. This is distributive property. This distributive property inside can be positive, negative, it doesn't matter. This is what property of operation. Is it okay? So with this one, property operations. Can you see that? You can simplify. 2 times 5. Okay, first two numbers group because that's a multiplication. Multiplication, we can switch the group. X is us. Last first two is just what is this one? Associative property, isn't it? But when you multiply this number, 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, to simplify, we use what associative property when you have right multiplications. Okay, or you know that 2 times 5 is 10x. That's fine. Okay, you don't have to do always this way. Okay, because we know that already. Okay, now we're gonna have another exercise 5 over here. So we're gonna use distributive property to simplify. Just over here, we use the associative property. Did you guys understand? From here to find this one, we applied what associative property. But in this case, we have addition inside the parentheses, that's gonna be what? Distributive property, right? How can you simplify? 8 times x plus 8 times 4, isn't it? That is distributive property. So 8 times x, just 8x. 8 times 4 numeric number, we multiply these two numbers, 32. We just distribute it. Another one is what? Negative 5 distribute both numbers. So negative 5 times 4y minus, we still negative 5 to the 3. Is it okay? All right, the first two multiplication use what associate property. Maybe you can use what negative 5 times 4 and y is the next. Negative 5 times 4 is what? This way, negative 20y minus negative 5 times 3 is what? Negative 15. So simplify negative is positive, we know that, right?
Y plus 15?
Yeah, negative 20y plus 15 is fine. This is a little bit hard. But if you guys, you are smart, you know, you need to solve this way, okay? Now the next one, how to simplify this one? Using distributive property. Wow. To simplify this one, how can you find distributive property? We have a common factor. This 3, this 21 need divisible by 3, right? 9x plus 21, you can try this one. 9x is what? 3 times 3x. 21 is what? 3 times 7, isn't it? This is distributed. 3 move to the front, inside is what? 3x plus 7. You can do this way. 3 times 3x plus 3 times 7, right? This is we said common factor. After that, you can divide by 3 over here. That is the product, you can cancel out. 3 over 3 is 1, 1. The answer is what? 3x plus 7. I just use right distribution. Or you can separate. This one is z equals what is the 9x over 3 plus 21 over 3, right? You can separate this way. Now just simplify 9 over 3 is what? 3, isn't it? Still we have an x there. This is 1, this is 3, 3x plus 27 over 3 is what? 7. We have two different ways. One is factored. This is what? Distribution. This is distribution 8 times x plus 32, right? This is we said from here to here is we said distribution. From this distribution, we're gonna go back over this one. We said what? Factor. Factor means what? Product form. Okay, factor means what? Express in product. Use it. This is what? Product. That is we said factor the form. Okay. So you can use what? Factor. Reverse way, okay, opposite way of distribution. From here to here, distribution, go back is what? Factored, okay? All right, now we're gonna have a little more. Okay. Equivalent, can you show me equivalent expressions? When you have equivalent expressions, what is the equivalent? Oh, when you have, right, like terms, we said the equivalent. 2x, 3x, that is equivalent. They both have x. We said these two terms is called like terms. Both have a same x. Also, maybe you can use it. This is apple, apple. You know that? When you have like 2 apple plus 3 apple, oh, you can simplify. 2x plus 3y. This we can use apple. This is a banana. 2 apple plus 3 banana. You cannot simplify. This is what? Unlike terms. Only like terms can be simplified. That's the rule, okay? This one is what? Apple, 2 apple plus 3 bananas. You cannot. Just so you can live this way. So the idea is what? Only like terms can be simplified. Are you guys with me? Yes. Okay. So what is the like terms? Like terms is what? Same variable. When you have a same variable, we said they are like terms. But this same variable, another one more over here. X, 2x plus 3x, like term, they can be simplified. Sum of these two is what? 5x, right? 2 apple plus 3 apple equals 5 apple. Oh, another one. X plus 2x squared. Whoa, this is like terms? X and x squared? No, they are not like terms. This is a degree 1, this is degree 2. They are not like terms. What is the like terms now? What is the like terms now? It has same variable, same exponents. 1, 1, same exponent. Okay, that is like terms. So remember, the like terms is the terms, right? The like terms means same variable, with same exponent or power, okay? This is like terms. For example, apple, we have 2 apple, 3x squared. They are not like terms because what? Different exponent. This is x is what? one apple in the box. This is what 2 apple x over x, different container, isn't it? Right? This is a different container. We cannot add this one. Okay? Yeah, they are not like terms. Right. So the next one is, what is the number of terms? What is number of terms? Number of terms separated, what is that? Addition and subtraction only. This is a multiplication. This is not 2 terms. This is still considered the 1 terms. This is a multiplication, division, not terms separate. This is still considered what? 1 terms. But only terms can be calculated. What number of terms is what? Always what? Plus or minus. So actually, this is 1 terms, another 1 terms. This is, there are 2 terms. This will be set 2 terms there. What is this? Then multiply, this is 1 terms. Minus, okay, we can count it separate. 2 terms. This is plus minus 1 terms, 2 terms, 3 terms. There is no plus minus, this is considered the 1 terms. Are you guys with me? The number of terms. So
Yes.
number of terms, number of terms. Okay, always what? By addition or subtraction. Is it okay? If we have 1 terms like this one, this is 1 terms. There's no plus minus sign there. So 1 term has a special name, which is what? Monomials. Can you memorize this one over here? Oh, we got the monomial over here, okay? 2 terms like this one, 2 terms. This is 2 terms. 2 terms is called what? Binomial. Bi means what? 2. Mono is 1. Are you guys with me? 1 term's special name is monomial. Another name for the what? Binomial, special 2 terms. The special name is binomial. This is what? 3 terms, trinomial. Tri means what? 3, okay? Tri numbers. What about this one? X squared plus 5x minus 2. We're gonna add 1 more y. This is different. How many terms are there? 1 terms, 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms with what? Plus, minus 4. There are 4 terms. What is the special name? 4 terms has a special name? No. Up to number 3, they gave right special name. Monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Then what's the name? Special name after 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms, 5 terms, 6 terms. They are already called what? Polynomial. Are you guys with me?
Yes.
All right, polynomial, general terms. Monomial is a polynomial, binomial is a polynomial, trinomial is also polynomial, first term polynomial. But only 3 terms. 1 terms, 2 terms. When you got 3 terms, we use a special name. But after 3 terms, we use just a general polynomial. Are you guys with me?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Now exercise 2. This is very important, okay? but always you guys need build strong background like this one. This is also what? This is not computation calculate, but this is very important. Okay, this is a concept. All right. So we have 3 terms, plus, minus. Yeah, we have 3 terms. But these 3 terms, we see trinomial. But we know that these 3 terms is all like terms because x, same variable with the same exponent. This one can be simplified. 1 apple, another apple, another 3 apple, 3x, isn't it? That's right. Now evaluate. Evaluate is a numeric number as their result. You can use what this separate terms, 5 plus 5 plus 5. Yeah, the result is a numeric number, 15. Or you can do this one too, 3x. The x is what, 5, 3 times 5 is 15. Right? Evaluate, memorize what that means, evaluate. The result should be number expressions. That is evaluation. If including some variable, that is not evaluate. In this case, we're going to use different name. This is trinomial, x plus trinomial. When you simplify, 3x is one monomial now, okay, because they are like terms. We change monomial. So x plus x equals 3x. We can change to monomial, okay, because they are all like terms. This is a binomial. Wow, we cannot use monomial. We can't. Yes. No, we can't do that. Oh, not 2x. This is y. We change the y. Y, variable, same exponent 1, 1. Now you can change this one. 2 banana plus 5 bananas total is 7 banana, 7y. You can change this binomial, 2 terms binomial to monomial because they are like terms. Only like terms, you can reduce the number of terms. If we have this one, 2x plus 5y, this is not like terms. This is a binomial. We cannot reduce to monomial. Yes? Okay. Now we're going to reduce. Okay. Now we're going to work together. Exercise 3. 5t plus 9t minus 3t, same variable, so we can use what same number of fruit. 5t is what? I'm going to use still apple. We have a 5 apple, another 9 apple, but we subtract 3 apple. How many apple remain as a result? Right? This is trinomial. 1, 2, 3. But this trinomial has what like terms. You can change into monomial. 5 plus 9 is what? 14 apples. Subtract 3 apples. You can use distribute, right? 14 minus 3 times t, you can use distribute. But you don't have to this one, okay? 14 minus 3, 11. 14 t minus 3t, so you know that 11t. This trinomial simplified into one monomial, right? Okay, everyone try B and C by yourself. Okay, try number B and C. Simplify. This trinomial, C is a binomial. They are like terms. We can reduce, right, the number of terms. Okay, Sydney, can you try B?
Number B.
Yep.
Okay, so since x, so first do x minus 10x, which is equal to negative 9x.
Okay, negative 9x. There we have a 2x. Still like terms.
Is negative 7x.
That's right. Negative 7x, which is a monomial, right? We reduce the number of terms. Okay, 3, 2, finally 1. Okay, Mike, can you try number C? 5 over 3y minus 1 over 4y. Still 5 over 3 just a fraction. It doesn't matter. Y is what? Like terms. So
So 5 over 3y minus 1 over 4y
Okay.
is
So what is the common denominator?
the common denominator is 12.
Yeah, 12. Excellent. If this is 12, we multiply times 4 times 4, right?
Yeah.
So 20 over 12y minus, to make it 12 times 3 times 3. So it's going to be 3 over 12y. Okay, what is this one? Subtract, right? 20 over 12 minus 3 over 12 is how much?
17 over
17 over 12. Still, we have a y there, right? Still, we have a y there. That's the answer.
Mhm.
Okay? You don't have to change y, mix the number, okay? In algebra, okay?
Okay.
In algebra operations, algebra, no need in change, no need change in mixed number, okay?
Yep.
Just improper fraction is okay. Everybody will accept it. So another one, common knowledge about what is the coefficient. Wow, what is these numbers? Coefficient is what? The multiplier. Oh, they're using just a multiplier, the number multiply. That's for, or someone use a multiplier. Okay, this multiplier should be number. Okay, this multiplier should be number. That's why they use this one. Numbers multiply to variable. This we say coefficient. 5, this is multiply 2x variable. 5 is a coefficient. 5 is a coefficient. 9 is a coefficient. Or 3 is a coefficient, or negative 3 is a coefficient too. Okay, all right. It doesn't matter. This number also coefficient, negative 3, or except y minus 3t. This is also coefficient. Okay. What about this one? If we have a plus 10 over here, there is no variable. This is a kind of coefficient, but special we said no variable, we said constant. Constant means it doesn't have any variable. It is okay? All right. Over here, we can see that this is a coefficient because we have a variable. This is no variable. This one is coefficient. This is what constant. Okay. All right. Constant and constant also what like terms. It can be simplified. Is it okay? All right. We're gonna combine this one. 5x plus 2 over here. 5x plus 2 and 4x plus 1. We can apply, right, some property, but just fine. We have two like terms, 5x plus 4x first over here. We don't read this one, okay? Just like we have like terms combined. These are like terms. We have another like terms constant, which is what, 2 and 1. Another like terms can be expressed what? simplify the 9x, 2 plus 1 is what? 3, okay? That's it, that's enough, okay? So we're gonna have some practice over here. So after this, we're gonna finish today because we cannot finish right all entire material today. So I'm gonna send out, okay, maybe let me check. Let me check your homework, okay? Okay, homework just we didn't use the equation today, okay? Homework is solve up to page 1, that's enough, okay? This one is one next homework, okay? We're gonna try this one next time, okay? Homework is up to here. After you finish this homework, take a picture using your smartphone or scanner or everything is okay, just one page. You can take a smartphone, take a picture and send it to me, my email. This is my email, drjcmath@gmail.com. Can you do that this way? Okay, you know how to send your photo into my email, right? Okay, just try it. Okay, if not, I'll let you know later, okay? So only one page of your homework today. We continue over here. All right, now simplify using like terms, okay? The first one, 10y, 2y is like a term. You can simplify 10y plus 2y the first. Second one is a constant, another constant, 5 plus 1 is seconds. Okay? Because they're all positive. So this is like terms, 10 plus 2, 10 banana plus 2 banana is 12 of banana. 5 plus 1 is 6. That's not like terms anymore. This one results in binomial. Try this like term 6m minus 4m. Oh, let me make clear. 6m minus 4m. Okay, rearrange. Plus 2 and minus 7 is like terms. 2 minus 7 is the second one. That's fine. This is how much? 6m minus 4m is what? 2m. Plus 2 minus 7 is what? Minus 5, isn't it? That's the answer. No more like terms. 3 distributed, right? You know that 3 times 2t, 3 times 5. 3 times 2t plus 3 times 5 and plus 2 times t minus 2 times 4. That is distributive property. After that, you can simplify, right? 3 times 2 is what? 60. Using what? Associative property, right? Actually, if you are this one, you don't have to do this always. 3 times 2 is the first, t is the next. Okay, we just apply associate. We know that, just direct. 6 times 2 is what? 60. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times t is 2t. Minus 2 times 4 is what? Negative 8. This is like terms combined 60 plus 2t and the number 15 minus 8. Okay, we just rearrange. Okay, this is like terms 60 plus 2t is 80. 15 minus 8 is how much? Plus 7, isn't it? Okay, I did it. Okay, now can you guys try number D by yourself? Okay, everybody try number D first, okay? Simplify, because we can see like terms, 7x, 4x like terms, another constant 8 and 2. It's a constant. It should be simplified. Okay. How can you find simplified? Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Try this one, everybody. I'm going to different color this time. Thick. When you parentheses, before the parentheses, we have a negative number. That is very important. Okay. When you open parentheses, we multiply negative number to the both. I'm going to do 7x plus 8. We have a minus over here, right? That looks like a -1 over here, okay? So -1 times -4. -1 times positive 4x. This is actually, what is that? How can you open this one? -1 times 4 is what? -4x, isn't it? I'm gonna write this, okay. Negative times 4x minus 2. How can I open this when you have a negative sign over here? Negative times 4x, okay? So negative times, I'm going to put the negative, it's okay too. So -1 times 4x minus -1 times 2 over here, right? That's the way. So -1 times 4x is what? -4x. Still, -1 times 2 is what? -2. After that, -4x, negative, positive, right? 2, isn't it? Or you can go directly. Negative times positive is what? Negative, right? Negative, you know that this is positive. You know that negative times positive. Negative times positive is a negative. Negative times negative. Negative times negative will be positive. You can apply this one directly. Okay, so negative times positive, negative. That's what? -4x. Negative times negative, positive 2. You can go this directly. Later, you have to solve this way, not this way. This is too much long. Yes. When you have a right negative sign, you gotta be careful, right? Negative sign, when you have a negative sign, 4c/3. This negative, they're gonna change the sign because they're all negative. What is the opposite negative? Negative 4c, this is negative. That's it. Change the sign. Negative, positive is negative. That's the change the sign. This is a positive, negative changed. Negative 4x, positive 2. Change the sign. -2 changed, positive change to negative when you have a negative sign over here. Are you guys with me? When you're positive, no problem. That's 5 times -2 is what? -10c plus 5 times 4 is 20. But inside is a positive. When you have a negative, they change the sign. -4c, -3. That's it. Yes. All right. So -10c is okay. Rearrange -4c together and 20 and minus separate. This is like terms. Both negative. You can add these two, right? There are -10, another -4 is -14. 20 minus 3 is what? 17. That's it. Okay. Now one more, last one. 3 times n is 3n. This 3 repeated part. Plus 3 times 6 is what? 18 minus 5n plus 7. Now rearrange 3n over here minus 5n seconds and 18 and the constant again. 3 minus 5n. Negative, right? 3 minus 5 is -2n. And 18 plus 7 is a positive 25. That's the final answer over here. Okay, you have to get used to this type of operation, okay? This is very important.
Okay.
Okay, without this one, okay, it's very hard to go next step. So from after class, just try the homework. Okay, you need the homework. Okay, homework. I'm gonna just check your answer. Okay, so I want to see how you work on this one first lesson. Okay, so after you finish your homework, send it to me. Okay, with photo or anything is okay. All right. All right, now it's time. So thank you so much. So you have a great weekend. Okay. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.
Wait, is the homework due tomorrow or next week?
Yeah, homework is maybe you can send it as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay, because I need to see how you work. Okay, so don't delay. Okay, maybe as soon as possible is better for me. Okay.
Okay.
First page, okay? Just the first page. All right, thank you, guys. Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, everybody.